Civilized nation, Richard Brown Phillips. Oh, big boy, playing with your trucks tonight. Hey, big boy, when you gonna get it right? Mama cry, when you gonna get it right? Oh, Candy. She say, one thing she said, the bells are gonna work. It a gonna help you fit do your homework. You see that little boy named Chucky, feeling friendship really now work. Big boy, when you gonna get it right? Oh, big boy, playing with his drugs, everything seems alright. Hey, just the other day, police start checking pon the lane. Hey, pastor boy preaching, the words not reaching. Now go for your church boss, not a Bout you a check for me sister. No, one go check your prime minister. Make him fix all the system what twister. But you are part of the system what we fix up. Hey, step away. Oh, step away. Whoa. Oh, big boy, I gotta be a big boy. Oh, big boy, playing with your trucks tonight. Hey, big boy, when you gonna get it right? Oh, big boy, oh, Candy.
Wake up! Look for your dirty socks. Where they do on the bed? You're not even bed. Get up! Get up, you're too nasty. Wait, hold on there. What is in your hand? No, hold up. What me hand, let me see it. Bun and cheese. So your name, so you sleep, so you wake, so you eat. Get up. Let it go. Get up. How much time if you want about the big old dirty chuck and car where you want to call it, pan bed? Why you sleep with something them pan the bed? The dirty chuck them when you have outside. Pan road and all about a people yard. Get up. You're big and crave now. What? Take them up. You're too out of that. Take them up. You're fit choke. Take them up. Take them up. Straighten up your bed. You're out of now. You're just a name. What make you out of that, so? What make you a name so big boy? You come fi brought me down. And that you come fi do. Get up. Watch it. No watch it now. Look here. No, look here now. Watch it. Tell me now. Then a big old dirty boot there. Front in our. And you take yourself gone in your bed and don't be it. Get up. Get up and fight. Let it go. Get up. Take up your truck them and get up. You're too out of that. Come on. Go bed. One go bed. Come on. One go bed. Take up your shoes then. Come on. Go. Go bed. Come on. And go brush your dirty mouth. Watch you. Out of that now. to you. I want to talk to you.
All right, may I come? Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes.
I come to talk to you about the money. I know you wait long enough. But I ask you to give me some more time.
Pan the time when me get ready, Candy. Candy, if you end up pay me little, I'll know you that don't pay me no Candy. Remember say, I feel me own money me take and carry the pitney go to hospital. And carry the pitney go to doctor.
Well,
And you say you're going to get partner money, so I'll know you're not get it yet.
alright, listen to me now. Me sorry. 1,000,000 times I tell you sorry to wait so long. You wait long, you overweight, me understand. But you have to understand too. You know the money thing come down already. This moment you have one little change, but you know you have other important things to do. And you know me have big boy down there. He crave me have to give him something. Me can't have only $100 in my name and come here. But me still have it in mind to give you back your money.
Yes, but remember, me have light bill, water bill, and me internet to pay for.
Then Cheryl, you no know say me have light bill and water bill
So you never
and
tell your
internet.
pitney saying if you go broke, if you go fast with people pitney.
So wait there,
You never tell your
Cheryl.
pitney that.
So when pitney left go broke, other parents pitney on. Are for them parents send them to go broke? Me not understand you.
Look here, man. Me wait long enough for me money now. Long time me a wait.
Cheryl, me not come for in no argument.
Me no
with you.
in no
Me
argument.
come
but
for
look,
ask you to give me some more time until me get the money. Me come give it to you. Me sorry say your son and I'm a matter of fact you talk about this and chat about that. Come to think of it, where black boy there? A long time me not see him.
look here, nobody buy out the argument.
Me not buy out the argument. Me
That
dey
boy
ask
gone
to see him.
father.
Ghana father.
Gone father, yes.
Oh, fine, alright. Hold the hand.
Well, it'll take your time and come on.
Me have fit me to and me understand how you feel because you want the money.
Yes.
Anyway, you know say, me would really love to take black boy and me can't carry him to my personal doctor cause me just want to know say and set back good and alright. Cause every doctor work good for people and then charge them 1 heap of money. You know so much money they charge you. Me hardly can find the rest to come give you because I know me give you half already. You understand? So just carry him come man and make me carry him go to my doctor.
As me tell you, you say, in hand a command good. So you don't have to go waste no money if you go carry him go doctor. That the money the way you go waste to go carry him go doctor, you would have just give me it.
Cheryl, the doctor where you carry him go, you know? Me no know about that the doctor they know, but see me doctor, him a gynecologist, a matter of fact, him a bone specialist, he can do anything for your body.
But me still don't know nothing here, nothing about for your doctor neither.
No,
you don't know nothing about
me
for me and me don't know
understand,
nothing
but
about.
my doctor have experience in all kind of things. He know about the body parts them. Some would have love to make sure say your son and come back perfect like how he did say before. Me no want to have no deform handsake of my son. Me just want to make sure say alright.
When me tell you say, me not tell you say hand alright.
Alright then.
Me
If
tell you say hand alright, right? And alright. So
Okay.
just leave it at that. Say,
Alright.
the only thing you do is the money where you owe me, you just pay me that.
Cheryl.
Right. Just that. Where you want to go again and go
Cheryl,
take
me
up
talk to you.
other
Nobody
expense,
quarrel.
but
Me no come for no quarrel.
Me not quarrel. But
Cheryl,
me
just make we
say.
talk like two big women.
But we not. We
We
talk
have
like
with children them. Me talk to you, man. I could have your son broke my son hand, you know, and me wouldn't behave like how you are going, you know.
But I consider it. Me consider it.
How considerate?
Because look here.
You considerate in our.
Look here.
To where you go and come like you want me go thief money come give you and me tell you say when me get the money.
Yandy,
I'm a
you
fact.
want to take up other things.
Cheryl.
Look here. You owe me
Mhm.
and you not pay me. And you go take up more expense for yourself. You go carry black boy.
No, I'm a personal doctor. Me can pay him when me have the money. Me not have the money exact right now. I'm a personal doctor that.
Well,
Me
here
know
what
me and
happen.
my doctor go together when me go. Me can just make him start me out and then me go back go pay him. So me want him start out your son.
Well, as me tell you already, in hand, all right.
Lord Jesus.
The hand come on. So, you don't have to go and go spend. Whether you go pay it now
Cheryl,
or
all right, done the story.
that
Let me tell you
the
something.
money
Me
they
not have
spend
no
it.
money
It don't
more than
necessary.
$5,000. Listen what me I say now. All right, you say your son and all right. Me just want to know saying all right. Because you know
Right,
say I
so
want
when
young
you
little.
go round and I come round and I go round and I come round.
Me not go round and come round. Me
Just leave it at
as
that.
a mother, To a son, me just want to know say your child alright.
Well,
Because see me son
alright.
too and good. You understand me?
Alright.
Me no have no money for
Thank you
your
for your
Cheryl.
consideration.
Yes. That you should have said from the beginning. Me no have no money. I want little money me have. You understand? When me did I go take you now, fi go buy something for big boy. Because me know saying always hungry. $5,000 me have. And he come like I say, I hit you want me fi take give you.
But if you end up
Me no have no other money.
But as me tell you say, if you end up pay me little, you that don't pay me.
Cheryl.
No, you got to take up $5,000 to go buy just snacks for big boy.
Cheryl, you know see your big boy big. You used to come down and me yard and you see your name, you know. And a little bit of food that the boy then me have to take care of him and me alone and God, you know.
Curving belly.
Cheryl, you're not going to make sure say you got enough right here, so you're not going to allow your son or any picnic where you have to go next door. Go beg food. You better you provide yourself as long as you can provide it.
But you have to learn, everything you ask, you have to give. Every time you come to your people,
no, everything when you ask me give him when me have and he ask me feed me have to give him because I rather give my picnic when me have more than he go beg people.
That is true, but sometimes you give them food and then take it away, see. Me have one little grand one and when he ready,
Cheryl, you know say some men they go.
And when he come and he ask me for juice and me give him food, what you thinking though? When me back turn, he squeeze out you and take you and dash you away. Cause
you understand, that are just kids.
Right.
But listen what me I say now. You see if you cut long story short.
And he still don't want it.
Cheryl, me can't take a long argument. This money thing we are asking for every time I stress me out. So me not go bother buy this something them for big boy. Me will figure out something for him to eat later, somewhere from somehow or whatever. God will provide.
The
last money when me have, Cheryl, the last money me have, you know.
You're lucky
you see where big boy put me in?
I don't have none at all.
You see where big boy put me in? The last $5,000 me have to go buy food, give him now to eat, me have to go take it here. But everything good, man. Let me tell you something. Father God has me hold up the last money where me have and I'm going to give Cheryl because she say my son broke for her son's hand. Father God, me ask if you deal with this situation to me because I don't understand what I go on. Remember, say me give you half already and this is $5,000 more. Take it.
Thank you and God bless you for giving me.
So Cheryl, I can grab your money out of me and like your vex. You did want more than that, and when me have me give you know? You
see this you have, so me take it.
Anyway.
But if I'm more than this you have and you only decide, God will decide your fate.
You know what some of we can't earn if you call God's name? Because some of we too wicked. Take it and go on with it.
God go with you, me dear.
May God go with you.
All the while.
I mean just give it and it done already.
Yes?
How are you? Look so confused.
No, the woman Candy who owe me money from how long?
Like a she?
Mm-hmm. See how she just pass out a gate down there, so.
So was she really not pay you yet?
I want to look at some change she can't come give me, you know.
Oh, like half eight?
Not even half of what she owe me.
This not funny?
No. Me I tell you, man, me say the woman put me out of my way, you know.
She say you're vexed because I don't normally see them mood there.
All right. How long the woman owe me? And me say, all right, then the woman call me. So me say, all right, then and the rest of the money the woman can come give me. The man just care one look at some change, come give me and I tell me, say, me figure her more time.
And one more time, them wants up on this earth, no?
Then here the woman go tell me now, say, after she no have the other rest of money to pay me, you know, she go tell me now, say she want to carry black boy, go after her doctor. But you know why she carry black boy down on doctor? Because no really the black boy hand. Black boy hand no broke. He not broke. I told me want the money, so me just tell her.
Easy at that.
Girl.
You're not easy.
Yes, me there, me no money. And she have money, I make her a big house.
Me not wrong you.
So if me can't get one little money for her, me not take it.
She charge them more.
Okay. Me can give her all the doctor certificate or whatever.
In these days, I feel how to survive.
I say go me girl.
Say no cook no food. Hungry enough.
Little more me cook man, little more, cause me no know say you that come.
Okay.
But as me tell you say in hand never broke. And but true me want the money.
Yeah, me
So me just
understand.
tell her say yes. In hand broke. To collect the money from her. So
You're
me get
smart.
one little piece of her money.
Yeah, my mother, you're smart, but
Yes.
to me, I say money I run still in all the time. I come down, I come want a little piece of it because me broke.
So that what make you come down here.
Part tight.
So you not really come to look for me then?
Of course, I must go look for you. I long to see you, mommy. Oh, I'm
Okay. All right, yes, girl. Yeah, man. Anytime you're ready, man. Me I go give you a piece of the money.
Alright.
But that are just between me and you and black boy.
Then the most of the time, I tell you to take time to talk.
Right, just between the three of we. Right?
You know, right now, I new lace week, so I have to go make up and buy one.
Yeah, man. You will get the money if you do that, man.
Now put on my back, because the bag is heavy, you know, mommy.
Yes, all right.
Candy! Oi! Come here, man. Long time I not see you. May I come there? What going on now? Up and no mix up your call me if you come put me in there, you know.
None of that, but you still time good, you know, girl.
I grace I gotta shine for me. Where you say now?
I said, I'm some little call you ask how we are deal a long time, you know, see you.
Long time I not see you too, but you look good, you know.
Why you trade even know, but me I live.
A long time I not see you. And I know say anytime you see me and call me, something you have to tell me. Where you going with?
Now go on with nothing, so I just a big you up. When me ever have to tell you mix up and you love people business, I go on like you don't love it too.
Oh, for one woman yard up there, somebody come from named Cheryl. My son big boy broke fear son hand. And put me in a one piece of problem.
So I nowadays spit me.
Then I don't know what. The woman tell me say the doctor charge her 150,000. And you know so me give woman half my money already. And she don't stop nag me go, nag me come, nag me go, nag me come for the rest of money. Oh, her son hand broke and her son in a pain. She go a doctor a million times. God know what's
So where
going
you
on.
go?
But I don't know, me in a one little partner. I can't take it no more, you know. I can't take problem in a big. Me have you up to yaso. I can't take it no more. Big boy put me in too much trouble. Every minute, big boy. I feel me name at the head, at the list on this alien. This is a community. Anytime you come in and ask the big boy, they know
So your holy boy go down.
the little
Team
boy, he
public.
bad like a years. Me don't know what to do with him. Police soon come lock me up. You don't know, say, I up a woman yard me they come from. Because the woman not tap nag me for the rest of the money. Me just a come from them, I tell her how when me get the rest, me will give it to her. It look like the woman want beat me off. The way she dey talk to me. She don't have no conscience. And she knows that anyone me did have the mother give her the rest of money when me have for her. You know, say me have $1,500. $1,500 where God bless me with in my name. If you go buy big boy food, because big boy I want crave. Take time to talk because when you see me they chat to nobody and always they cocking ears. You know they look fast with me. Big boy. Nyam. You know nyam like this. When me say big boy nyam, that mean big boy when nyam have one whole pot of food. How much big old dumpling me have to cook the one little boy. A big him body big you know. A big him body big, you know, not even reach.
You have to roll him and stretch him and
Not
set
even
him
reach 12
straight.
year old yet the boy then nyam more than me.
Roll him and stretch him and set him straight. You know tap beat pitney? You know tap beat pitney?
You don't understand. When he come on to me and big boy and lick him big boy, make the community tell you. Me not have to tell you. So when you talk about licking and big boy, me lick him till me weak. Lick not have nothing to do with him.
Time on a tree.
Me punish him, me lick him. I don't know if he do. The only thing less me do is send him a cops.
Time on a tree.
You know say me not no sense though. Me a one idiot mother then. You know say me and me one daughter. And me take my daughter and send him a cops to one something she do. One something she do, you know. Me send my daughter a cops. And look how much things big boy they do. And he out here scotch free. Me a idiot, don't. Me a your friend man, but if you tell me the truth, me a real
But
idiot.
pass fool.
Look how big boy they give me trouble. Why me can't send big boy go cops and go for me daughter make she come back down here?
And if you tie big boy up on the bedpost and then sit there like way back then.
And then this woman when named Sherry and nag me feet. She knows if me did have the rest me give her, you know. The partner when me did in her, you know. You know say the partner done? Me send big boy for me draw. Big boy get the partner draw. And big boy tell me, me know say big boy a liar, you know.
You sure say big boy not teaching money?
No, listen. Big boy a liar, but me know when he tell me lie. Him say he use some of the money and put back down some. And me believe him. He can't lie so. One pitney can't lie so.
So why you live?
Me believe him, but me no. Big boy know say me believe him say he use some and left some, you know.
Why you live?
Me make him know say. Me make him have in her head say. He use her for all her money.
Candy, why you live?
Me and my son big boy want me to live.
If big boy no move, somebody will come there.
No, listen how I go. You feel listen to this story, man. Big boy go for the money. Me when they go somewhere. And me send big boy for the partner money from the lady. The woman give her pick-me or her grandchild, me no know. One of them, the money for give my son, big boy. Big boy say, he collect the money. But he use some and put on some where the rest, it cannot be found. Me no know which party there. Now the woman when me owe the money, for him pick me broken.
You know
I don't have it to give her
everything
back.
Can just straight.
The money, miss.
Candy, let me tell you how to straight need no candy.
What you mean?
You see anything, anytime anything miss up off me yard.
Mm.
Anytime nothing go bad up off me yard.
Mm.
You see me mother fly out for 1 2 weeks.
I wish part you go. What you mean fly out?
80.
80?
80 she
I
go.
lie.
If you got 80.
I wish you go over there go do.
When she go 80, financial problem fix. Car, house, land. My mother not short of nothing.
I lie.
Teeth, nothing for my mother. So you see, if you follow my mother, I go 80, we can lend her all the money now because we thinking rich with money now.
What you say?
You go there. Anybody take your find out who take your money and who are working in your life. If now look at somebody do big boy, because I'm convinced him mad to you talk to me. That child is mad.
What you say? My son big boy.
Maybe you mad, Candy.
No. No. Come on now. Me they talk about money when miss na me yard and you come tell me say they put it on my son to me son mad.
Behave a certain way,
What you say me son mad? No, me and your friend long time and a long time I don't see you. Me glad to see you girl, but you see when he come on to see me son, nobody with it. Please me they beg you in the name of Jesus. Don't put your mouth on me son. Me pick me right it and he have sense. Not do it. Don't do it. He might bad like a yard, but my son do not mad. Don't do it. My son conscious. Little girl, you know my son educated. My son can spell cornflakes and Mississippi. And me give you one secret. You don't know so one day me I teach my son to read. And my son I come tell me about me must spell it Mississippi. Don't tell nobody. You know so me can't spell it. And my son brighter than me. He come first in class. My son come first.
So that means I'm not gonna do him.
Nothing to do my son in collective. Everything I go good up here. So my son a come turn doctor. You can't come tell me say my son mad. You out of order. We are talking about the money you can't hear till they come chat about my son mad. My son bright. My son is the brightest one in a film class. Not do it. When my son go in a class, the whole of film thinks them okay and alright. Just when he come home and me looking at him book clean like a whistle. When my son go in a class, teacher has to send him out back. The way I'm bright.
You know, writing to him bright.
I be effing get. I bright is me. So no rank with me son.
I no lie, like mother like that. Because you're bright, you know, because right now to where you talk, you're bright. Like mother like son.
No.
Yeah. Mother like son.
When he come on to bright, takes me out of it.
No,
but
man,
my son is going to become a doctor.
You're bright.
So my son has studied doctorate.
Yeah, man.
Deal with me son, so.
Shalama.
Finish,
Yeah,
son
Shalama.
is going to be a doctor. You see when you get old, and my son maybe have to come take care of you and give you injection. Don't play with me.
I can't get all. I may tell you that the 80 man good. You need to go over there and go get the link.
Come back about the 80 story. See how you come chat about my son, mad. Y'all, me ready to go. Y'all lend me money?
Yeah. Can't give you a piece of food.
Then how much fee playing tickets to go there? So can I never go there so yet?
This one a dear in a candy. You want? I'm going to 100,000.
100,000?
I bet so when you come back in a list.
So how much for the ticket?
$1 million.
How much for the
You can
ticket?
cover everything.
Like the 100,000 can?
Yes.
Buy me one ticket to go and come back?
Yes.
Return ticket?
And pay the man, because you have to pay the man $300.
$300?
$300.
I lie.
And when you pay the man, everything good. That the man they go work miracles in less than 2 weeks you come back you reach. When you don't have to give me 100,000, you come back and give me all 3. I have change left. So me lend you 100.
So me I go reach when me go there?
200.
Me I go?
Yes.
A true?
Yes.
Me ready. Lend me the money. When you can give me?
Yeah, well, you go dry money in the machine.
Oh.
Me will link you back right to your yard and give it.
So me can go at 80. You say me we get through and me we know who got me money.
Yeah.
And me we know if I lie me son they tell.
Yeah.
Let me tell you something, you know. Me tell you already, you know, but me know why you go sit down and susu and chat your mouth in and make me son here, you know. Me believe me son say some of my money in take, you know, and put down some and somebody take the rest, you know. Because you know say the day when me they go, fire the day and me yard at work. Juta the day and me yard at work. Yes. And then when me come back and miss the money, then say Shakaberry go straight in my house. So me no know who thief the money. That's why me agree with you if you go at 80, if you go find out which one of them take me money, me no know who take it.
Don't worry yourself. When you go here the deal, me I lend you 100 and you come back in less than 2 weeks, you go pay me 200 because you go rich.
So me I go give you
You
300.
go fully load, yes.
Alright, no
You
problem.
go fully loaded.
So if me no rich, me not get 300,000, you know.
Ask that.
I only the 100,000 me I give you back.
Ask.
Alright.
Rich.
Me need to go nowhere no me yard me I go.
Yeah, man.
So guess what? We will talk.
We
And
really
thanks. Make sure you call me, you know. Because I'm ready to go.
Walk with you
Me
to
have to get back the money.
You go charge the money right now, right
The
out
woman
the
up there, so no will want to give her back the rest of money
Yeah,
where
man.
we work. And I can't take care of her. You know, every day she a nag, on me face like an idiot. This here?
Yeah, man. Really.
Alright. Alright.
Follow me for? Where you come down here for? Go back up, man.
Me nah go back up.
Why you do that? Why you leave your yard and them out here make take you out of the yard?
Me want come with you.
You don't need to come out of the yard.
Me want come with you.
You can't manage. We are going to look for big boy.
Me want come with you.
Remember to me warn you, know. So if you get beaten, don't blame me.
Me come with you.
Come on and make sure you behave some kind of love here. You hide and come out of the yard and then next thing they go say me take you out of the yard. And if you want to get no lick, especially my father, dark and fool. And if you want to come here, say what? Jump. Jump like me, yeah. Yeah. Bounce. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Yeah. Bounce, 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 bounce. Bounce, bounce, bounce.
Little boy, come here. You're a big boy. Sorry. You're a big boy, you're a little boy. Come over here, so to me. How you do this, son?
I want to chuck me on me.
You make one chuck. How what do you want chuck, so big boy? You know how to chuck in this already? You still make chuck. So that not enough.
I see some boy around the road with when they make chuck out of box and I have to make one by myself.
Me go to the road, go collect one money from one and my friend them because I want to go 80 go find out who thief the rest of the money where you say you put down. Because you say you put down your money and I don't believe you.
You put down your money, mommy.
Well, me I go 80 to go find out who take my money.
And let me take it.
And I have to get it back.
So mommy, what me I go eat, mommy?
Where you go eat? Sweet the Jesus. Where am I go eat? Me not have no money. You're lucky you have somewhere to sleep. You can ask me about where you go eat. Me I go to the road go collect the money. You're deaf. And me have to buy my plane ticket to go at 80 and when me come back, we will hear who have the money. So anybody who thief me money, you see when me come back, you want to know how them I go? Nah, but that's sure you want to see it? Eh?
Yes, mom.
Then have to go ball and tell me and beg and say, I me take your money, me take your money. Candy, I me have your money, I me have your money. Candy, sorry if you take your money, me want back my money. Where you look for me suffer?
No, mom.
You don't know, so then have to go walk and talk, say, I me take your money, I me take your money. Candy, I me have your money, me I go give you back your money. Then have to tell me. So who say, big boy, if you know, say, you put down the money for you, you know.
Mommy, I know me take it, mommy.
Me can't know, you know, you have to know, you know.
Mommy, me your son, mommy.
So if you know, say you put it down for two, me still no know. So me I go find out. So if you know, say you no put it there, because something bad go happen to that there's somebody there too. So if you know, say you no put it down,
I know me.
tell me I no make me bad go. Me we no bad go, cause me no want nothing happen to me son.
Mommy, I know me, mommy.
I know you.
No.
And me aware them here when me have on. Me nah bed until me come back. You know why? The little money when me send you for where me want give the woman. The money for him pick me hand where you broke and use the rest buy soap, bleach and little food and pay little bills in ya. He gone. Now me no have no soap to wash me clothes them. So me not even can bathe neither, can not even water bill me can't pay for. You understand? Water gone. So anyway you forget water from and bathe before me come back, you better bathe with the source of water cause me Candy don't have no soap. So if you want to go chat with your friend them, because I know you love chat, you know. Say me mother gone at 80 and no beard. Go and go tell them because you chat too much.
Mommy, I can't beard myself, mommy.
You can't beard yourself. Alright, guess what? Be like your mother. So the mother, so the son. Me nah beard. I see me I got 80, so you no beard till me come back. When me come back, me I go rich. Because you see place I 80 where me I go? When me come back, me have to have money. You go have everything where you want. Me I go have money like what? You know what I said? My friend will lend me the money. Me I go collect you know. She buy me ticket. She said me figure her 200,000 for 100,000 where she a go lend me.
What our name 200,000, mommy? How much money that?
200,000, 1, 2. I dip on your finger, me gone. You ask too much question. But members if you stay in a yard and don't left out there. What me say?
Alright, mommy. Can I one chicken patty for me with
Chicken
cheese?
patty? Boy, when me come back from 80, me have to reach. You go get shrimp patty. Boy, your chicken patty, you idiot. Me soon come.
Alright.
Stay in a yard. And go wash your dirty plate then.
Yes, mommy.
And wash your dirty socks then. Anyway, you have to get water from Galanga River.
Yes, soup. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I'm up on the street, I patrol, man, I make sure everything alright because I want to know say street them alright, you know? With the we out in the street, in the town, you know? Yes, man, we are work hard. We are work hard. Yeah, man. The vehicle. Hey, turn the vehicle from there, sir. Go that way, don't park there, sir. Yes, soap. How that works, soap? We want to know everything good, you know what I mean? With the way in the streets, then. Yeah, man. I write some ticket I know, so I'm kind of busy, yeah? I mean, if you write some ticket, I make sure everything alright. Yes, now, man, Officer Spoony, I don't know him there, you know, because it look like him can write one ticket across the road. I see him there across the road, write a ticket. Yeah, man. We work hard, soap. Come on, with good soap. Yes, boss. Yes, boss. Alright, boss. Cool. You're dirty bun, right? So I'm going. Walk well. You know some needs to go check the partner lady. $20. Somebody can find it. Walk on there, sir. Navi,
Yes, sir.
good afternoon. How you?
Good afternoon, sir.
Everything alright?
Yeah, man.
My name is Officer Smiley, you know, and I'm doing a little investigation around the area, you know, the partner money. But
Yes,
is
sir.
you the partner lady?
Yes, sir. Me a partner lady.
And you give Big Boy the money?
Yes, sir.
So Big Boy tell you anything about losing any money?
Not at all. We just give him money. He love it.
So were you at the party?
No,
You was not at the party?
no.
Because them say some money missing up, the same money missing up at the party.
Well, me just give him and that's it. Me no know.
You don't know about it?
Nothing, nothing.
And then I have no clue who take the money.
No, me not that I know.
And nobody talking about the
Not
money
that
missed
I-
up.
Not that I know.
Not that you know of?
No, sir.
I hope you're telling the Officer Smiley the truth.
Yes,
You know?
sir. Yes, sir.
Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back because Officer Spoonie might come back around here and find some information. Because we just investigating, right?
Yes, sir.
So if you don't know, you don't know.
Me no know.
Alright, so have a wonderful day, ma'am. My name is Officer Smiley.
Thank you, sir.
And make sure say if they tell you nothing, you call me and
Thank
tell me.
Thank
You understand?
All right.
Alright, cool. Have a wonderful day, alright?
Okay, sir.
Yes,
Thank you, sir.
What? Auntie change the shop. The
Grab-
shop will get bigger.
No, man, Grandma. Where you go?
I want to come with you.
You can't come.
I want to come with you.
You know why you can't come in?
No.
I thought if you ask, remember what you did do the last time you thief Grandma them out of the shop and tap out and yam them out. You know if you come in and you people them property, you think Grandma like you? Grandma don't like you, I'm tell you the truth. Maybe you're too brown. So stay here so me I go to Daddy.
All right.
And don't move. Grandpa!
Just trying to make it. Tell you I'm a Negril boy. Just trying to make it.
Hey, then why you always show you tie them on the ground? Take them up. Take them off the ground, baby. Move me a bed.
Alright.
Oh, the Lord my side. I don't know what to do. Oh my God. Oh, what that the other side?
Yes. How that feel? A people in there, people come there, say come there, so people you. How tired of so? Oh, you how tired of so? You can't come in and me yard and the people and my daughter. Oh, you how tired of so?
I'm sorry, miss. I'm sorry.
Look here, man. Me go make a complaint to your mother, you know, because no good now go come out of you. You understand? You come and go tear your daughter. You broke my son hand, and you not satisfied. Now you come now, and my daughter you gone people.
Where you see a while ago? Where you see? Where you see them? You sure? Hey boy, hey.
Walk out. I don't see no Forest, me see.
Forest, you see? What that's supposed to mean? Look here, man. Come go on your yard. Come go on your yard. Go on. I see me see him. We play them, me did so wash, and when me wash the plate. I play them, me wash. And when me look at him, me see I taking time. I come and I come compete on you there, so.
That's what I normally do then.
I hot, that means to say I know the first time I do it.
Tell them this boy not easy.
Me say me no know what go happen to them, you know what they speak, you know, because look which part you're there, and look how far in leave from off a road, and come over here and I come peep on you. A peeping Tom. Forest. What kind of forest is it? No, me have to take bad thing, make laugh. What kind of forest is it? He can't see in there. That means to say, he really see you for two then. He see you. You say I'm out of order? Me have to go tell him mother. Me go over there and go tell him mother and hear what she go say. What she have to say.
Yes, son, what do you?
All right, Aiden, go on with it. Go on. Yeah, man, he's very out of order, man. He's out of order. And if you tell if you say ABC, you know, no way. Look here, man, you see the good thing, them don't know the good things, you know. Are the wrong, they know. All right, go and go bed. Me know say now go come back here now because you ain't get rid and did. He now go come back now. As a road fitness stay, man, road fitness always afraid for lick, you know. Yes. Hey, boy. Hey, we will talk about you. How about cool kids you?
Damn lane again. I hate to walk for that damn lane. What a brother. Are you from around here? You new? Yeah, man. Watch it, you know, make sure you're not nothing illegal, you know. Black hoodie, easy for report, you know. Only if you know that. Stay right there. You not call nobody on the lane. I plan to call nobody on the lane. Worry myself. Quit and done that job, yeah. Don't worry myself. Officer Spoony there. They chuck up everybody. If you understand, say, this place is full of beer criminals or something. Shakaberry!
See me here.
Where you there?
See me right here, so. Where him come again? What happened now again?
You know where about me coming from? Come this way. I want to have a few words with you, man. Come
What will we do again now, sir?
I know what you do again. Let me control everything. Alright, here we go now. You remember one party where big boy went keep? And it is alleged that somebody stole the money. You hear about the money I miss up?
Yes, so what that have to do with me now?
It's not about what you have to do with you. It's that I want to know if you know about who took the money. If you say not do it, I have to go take your word for it, right? And more have to know if anybody else you feel would take your money. Even if a big boy, if a Chucky, you understand? If the little boy will live up the road there, what them lock up which day there, you understand? More have to know if you know who take the money. There's an ex girl in the party I want to see her. I hear she catch that thing and you know, busy for a while, so I'm not really pressure her right now because I don't want to catch what she have. But what I'm saying to you is that, you're sure you don't take the money?
No, no money.
And you alone live over here, so?
Mm-hmm.
And since the party, we have to go back right there again. Since the party, how has life been? Life been good? You've been spending a lot of money and enjoying
No,
yourself?
life hard like always.
Life hard like always. Alright. This is just a random question, right? So make sure say you're not going nowhere.
Yeah.
No left town, stay in the area, come here to investigate and know who, know what, from what them don't know about the money. If them find out who have the money, take the money and all these things. Alright? So remember that my name is Officer Smiley. Keep yourself active. Yeah man, go on back in your house and go and do your thing and we shall gather. Alright?
Right.
But if you hear anything, you know, don't be shy to call along at the station and ask for me. Don't talk to anybody else down there.
Yeah.
Just talk to me personally. Alright? Alright?
Yeah.
Alright, good. Like the she look like she don't know where I'm going. And then, if I'll check my officer friend there.
Yes, somebody here then carry come man. But the pants ain't tight still. And the boot no look so bad. The back, me know say will come late, but me appreciate it still man. You make me look boss in my man, yeah. Everything white out. Thank you man, thank you. Boy, I tell you, you know, tell you say, this is things turn themselves out good. Just as the plum tree done and I get a little work and the money run out. See, God bless you know, if you send a little thing go and give me some, send me a pair of suit and pair of this and pair of that. Yeah man, we feel like me thing happier now. Me thing happier, me thing out there. Alright, we talk man. Bless you. We talk. Well, different. Alright, later.
So are you thief my mother money? Are you thief my mother money?
What are you talking about?
You have on new shoes, new clocks, and you have on are you thief my mother gonna eat me sorry for you. Me sorry for you thief my mother money Rasta and I can't tell like for me. And make me get beaten because of it.
What are you talking about now, big boy?
The money where you thief over my mother yard yesterday.
I thief money from my yard.
Yes. Look how you look. Look how you look.
Big boy, remember say yesterday you know, when you take the money from the people that see you roll up a bag of money and you come in at the house, right? You come in and you go buy drinks with Popeye and everything, then you keep big dancing at night. You know money keep a dance? You spend your mama money. You see the police boy tell you what me do to him. You tell him to run. Let me tell you one thing now. I am a farmer. You know what I mean? And people send some things to me from foreign. I mean, I have receipt, but them come from foreign. You know what I mean? So, you know what you do? Say it one more time. If you show small, you broke your hand and broke your foot. And then win the case same way. Because you go say things which you're not sure about. Right?
And my mother money buy that. I mean, wait so till my mother come. I tell him say you're up here.
Alright, you know what go on? I want you to tell your mama say, me and our friends still you know, but since you come forward in this vibration and now, and accuse I and I of thieving, I want you go and tell your mama say, if you come and say that to me, because you're young, the law won't take you serious. You know what I mean? Until you broke your foot and broke your hand and bust your head. But differently, go and go tell your mama say, tell me thieving money. We don't go tell her now. Not be say go on anywhere she there. If she gonna 80, you know too late. Go and go tell her say, and me have it then. Go and go tell them say me have it. Tell all England, tell the police say, if you come check me again, I me have it. Go on.
Just wait.
Go and go tell them.
Hello?
Yeah.
Yes, Juta. I'm going to send Clarice to you because I'm going back to America, and when I get there, I'll send her a few things.
So what are you doing? You change your flight?
Yes, I changed it. I'm leaving now.
So what's the problem?
I have to go.
All right.
I have some business to take care of.
Do whatever you're doing.
Okay. All right, bye. Clarice. Come. Okay, Clarice, I've just talked to your father. He's expecting you because I have to leave today and go back to America.
But mommy, me no want to go down.
Oh, don't be sad. I'm gonna send you some nice stuff when I get here. I have to take care of some business.
Okay.
Okay. You have everything you need?
Yes, mommy.
All right. I want you to be good. And I love you.
Yes, mommy.
And I'll be in touch with you, okay?
Yes, mommy.
All right.
Boy, your sister come out the road, so go meet her.
Where is it, Daddy?
Your sister come out the road, so go meet her.
So why you not go on, Daddy?
Brother, just go do it. How would a boy, man?
Every day is a different sister. Oh! Give me back. I didn't look at that. You couldn't carry
I said to my back for.
my bigger brother. I look in there for food in there. I snacks. You buy for your mother all the water your mother feed upon. Water alone.
Daddy, carry in her bag and go show her in her house. Introduce her to her grandfather.
But no snacks in her bag, Daddy.
Me no snacks in her bag, so that's why I bring it back, come give me. What a dirty boy, I buy 2 cheese chips for you and her with this man. I'm going in, go sit down here.
Yes, Daddy.
Grandpa, you get new granddaughter.
Big boy, you know what your style me do?
What do you mean my style?
What if you tell the policeman say me did their party and you know say me never did a party?
Boy, you did there in a yard the day.
Me never did it. Remember say me ask you.
You are fire the day in a yard the day and you thief, if you are fire thief money, wait, my mother say I got other man.
You know say me ask you to come to my party and you say me can't come. So if you tell the policeman.
No, because I did an all-inclusive girl party and me and Chucky alone did it. It was a girls all party.
You a bait man, a style your style.
Who you call?
You.
What?
You. You go tell lie for me, you a bait.
Who you call?
You.
Another touch me now.
I'm afraid of you.
You can't do me no.
I'm afraid of you.
You can't do me no.
You.
Add party, who bounce it out?
You should make it touch me or touch me, Chuck.
Lick him,
I'm afraid to lick you.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna say.
I'm afraid of you.
Hold me back, hold me back, hold me back.
Hey,
Hold me back, hold me.
Ah, boy, you see it?
Hold me.
You see who there, sir? You see who? I two gun here, you know. 1 fear, 1 fear, you know. You upgrade now, you know. What I'm gonna say?
Boy, I want.
Boy, you want to say what? Shut him out.
Tell lie for me.
What you want to say?
I tell lie for me.
You? Them let you out.
I him the thief my mother money.
Me never
Them
know
let
that.
you out. Hello, I'm gonna tell you something. It's when me attack, I don't want no dog bark. You understand that?
No dog no there.
Where you shake hand for? Something wrong with your hand them? Eh?
No,
Hand them hot?
somebody, I got get gunshot.
Go stand over there, sir. Go stand over there, sir, right now. Cool out over there, sir. Over there, sir. Boy, hot party, who can stand and go? It must be a juicy party this. Let me tell you something now. You know. You're ball already. I think I have a problem, you know. I just feel you have a problem for some reason because you have your big old chuck. You?
The boy come down and want tell lie for me, but call me idiot.
Who let you out?
Tell lie for me.
Who let you out? Who let you touch it? Wait.
You see it?
What Candy? The Candy there? Candy on the place there?
Mother not there.
Come go in.
Should I make it touch?
Come go in that place and shut him out. Take up a shot and go in that place.
Should I make it? Should I make it? Who you call Bill? Yes, to me see.
Come here, little boy. Come. Tell me something. Who let you up?
A bail me get.
Bail get from who?
My mother bail me and you have one lawyer.
Your mother have one lawyer upon what?
The case.
Which case? The case over here, sir? With Candy?
Yeah.
With the money business? So now you take your money, boy?
I know me take your money, me never there.
You never there? So who you big boy in an argument? No, because you never there. Who you come a big boy here? You left all the way from where you come from on a bush. And come a big boy here, can do what?
Come talk to him.
Talk to him and a fight?
Come and tell lie for me.
Till somebody else say hot party, who can cool it? Eh? I'm going to tell you something, man. Don't come back on there, sir. And you see that the liar case there? Tell him to cancel it. You understand me, I say? Step away from here, sir. Right away. I saw you live. Go, sir. Oh, hot party, who can cool it? Young girl, come to me. Step to me right here, sir. Where you come from?
Over there, sir.
You look like a puss. Your hair look like a puss. Brown like a puss. Your teeth? You sure your teeth? I don't trust you. Why you over here, sir? I have over Candy place. Eh?
Missy, if I go on and I want to go in there.
You want to go in there? Come over there, sir. Step away from the place. Step away right now, quickly. Look like a thief. Hey, big boy, come here to me. Step to me. Why I feel I'm first draw me gun and just bust 2 shots and make you know I'm serious? Because for some reason, you don't take me serious, you know. Me out there start telling you to stop and you don't want to stop because what? You feel I'm going to bust a gun now? Anyway, I want to talk to you. I'm here to talk to you when you stand steady, man. Where your mother there?
My mother not there.
So where your mother gone?
He gone to Oberman. He gone at 80. He said he might go feed man to find out who thief for money. He left well early this morning and me have to make my own breakfast this morning.
What you say about Oberman?
He gone to Oberman well early this morning. He said he might go.
Which Oberman?
He said
Safa?
His mommy say, my mother say, anybody thief for money, I go grow and say, money.
Tap now, no boy, tap.
And can't tap.
Let me say. Can't tap. What do you mean by? So, you have a number? Eh?
Me no, I'm to know my mother number. My mother no, me no know my mother number.
You know your mother number?
No.
Alright, guess what I'm going to do? Me I go, and then me I forward back. But hopefully me come back when Candy there so me can have a good talk with her. So, you never see me here basically. Yes, sir? You hear me say?
Which part you there? No right, that's your turn.
No worry about me there. Abracadabra. No, you see me? No, you don't.
Paradise Nation, Richard Brown Films. Oh, big boy, playing with your trucks tonight. Hey, big boy, when you gonna get it right? Mama cry, when you gonna get it right? Oh, Candy, she say. One thing she said, the bells are gonna work. It are gonna help you fit do your homework. You see that little boy named Chucky, feeling friendship really now work. Big boy, when you gonna get it right? Oh, big boy, playing with his drugs, everything seems alright. Hey, just the other day, police start checking pon the lane. Hey, pastor boy preaching, the word's not reaching. Now go for your church, boss, not her. But you a check for me, sister. No, go check your prime minister. Make him fix all the system a twister. But you are part of the system, what we fix up. Hey, step away. Oh, step away. Whoa. Oh, big boy, I gotta be a big boy. Oh, big boy, playing with your trucks tonight.